Good morning, everybody. Now we're going to start teaching Unit 10. And the title of the unit is Welcome to My Home. Welcome to my home. And as you see here, we have many pictures, and all of them are found in our homes. Now, let's look at this box. What are the things in the photos made of? Which of these objects has the same name as its material? Now, let's look here. We have cotton. These are the materials. Cotton, glass, leather, metal, plastic, stone, wood, wool. Now, let's look at the pictures. Now, let's look at number one. These are cushions, okay, and they are made of wool. They are made of wool. This is number one. Okay, now let's look here. And they can also be made of cotton too. Okay, now we have a glass. Okay, a glass, this is number three. A glass is made of glass too. So the material and the object have the same name. The material and the object have the same name. A glass is made of glass. Okay, now we have a pot, and the pot is made of metal. The pot is made of metal. Number three, this is the glass, okay. Number four, these are some clothes, and the clothes are made of cotton. Clothes are made of cotton. Number five, this is a bag. A bag is made of leather. A bag is made of leather. Okay, number six, we have some chairs, and chairs are made of wood. Chairs are made of wood. We have here some bricks. These bricks are, they are made of stone. Bricks are made of stone. And we have number seven, some chairs, and chairs are made of wood. Chairs are made of wood. And look here, we have some toys. Toys are made of plastic. Toys are made of plastic. Now let's turn to the other page here. Now let's look at the picture here and answer these questions. Are these sentences true or false? The sofa is made of leather. That's true. The television is made of glass and plastic. Television is made of glass and plastic. That's true. Number three, the table is made of glass. Wrong, because the table is made of wood. Number four, the curtains are made of wool. Wrong, the curtains are always made of cotton. Number five, the lamp is made of stone. Wrong, the lamp is made of glass. Number six, the cushions are made of cotton. Yes, that's correct. They can be made of cotton or wool. Now let's look at our grammar lesson here. For describing materials, we always use is made of or are made of. Now, how can we form a question? What is it made of? For example, we can say, what is a chair made of? What is a desk made of? What are shirts made of? So this is the question. This is how we form the question. And what about the answer? The sofa is made of leather. Chairs are made of cotton. Televisions are made of glass, and so on. And for the plural, we use are. What are they made of? What are shirts made of? What are desks or chairs made of? And the answer, the cushions are made of wool or cotton or whatever. So we use is or are plus made of to describe the material or of an object. Now let's look at these pictures and try to make the dialogue here. Work in pairs. Find these objects in the photos. What are they made of? We have a bag. Okay, it's here. A skirt. This is a skirt. Socks. These are in number three. Statue. This is a statue. A table. Okay, and this is a table. a teaspoon, sorry, a tablet, this is a tablet, a teaspoon, these are teaspoons, toy, okay, this is a toy here, and a wallet, this is a wallet where we put our money. Now let's look and make a dialogue like this one. What is your pencil case made of? It's made of plastic. What is your bag made of? I'm not sure. I think it's made of cotton. Now let's form some questions and some answers. What is a wallet made of? A wallet is made of leather. What is a skirt made of? A skirt is made of cotton or wool. What are socks? Because we have a pair of socks, so they are plural. What are socks made of? Socks are made of wool. What are teaspoons made of? Teaspoons are made of metal. And we're going to do the same with the other objects. And I want you to form questions and answers about the other objects. For example, what is a bag made of? A bag is made of leather. This is your homework. I want you to form questions and answers. Now we have a reading lesson. We're going to read a lesson about a place called Deir el-Medina. Deir el-Medina. Now let's read together. Read the text quickly. What is the main idea of the article? In ancient Egypt, there was a village called Deir el-Medina. The people from the village worked in the Valley of the Kings. There were 68 houses. The walls of the houses were made of bricks, and the doors were made of wood. The people painted their houses white with red doors. The houses had a kitchen, a living room, but there weren't any bedrooms. People usually slept on the roof because it was very hot at night. There was usually an oven for bread in the kitchen, but there weren't any taps. Tap is something we use to get water, so I always use the tap to get water. People got their water from the Nile Valley, about 2 kilometers away. Now these are bricks. This is the bricks. These are bricks, and this is the tap. It's something, or it's an object to get water from. Okay, and this is an oven. Okay, it's where we bake bread and cakes and so on. And this is the roof. Now let's read the questions here. Read the text again and answer the questions. How many houses were there in the village? There were 68 houses. Number 2, what were doors made of? Doors, as we read here, doors are made of wood. Number 3, what color did they paint their houses? They paint their houses white with red doors. Number 4, why did people sleep on the roof of their houses? Because it's very hot. It was very hot at night. That's why they don't, or they didn't sleep in their rooms, because it was very hot at night. Number 5, where did people get their water from? People got their water from the Nile Valley. And number 6, where do you think people slept in the winter? This is, of course, your opinion. For me, I think people used to live inside their rooms in the winter because it's very hot, because it's very cold. Now we're going to read some vocabulary here in lesson 3. Look at this box, a sign of electricity, a sign of electricity. Okay, and we have drone. What is a drone? Drone is a plane without a pilot. A plane without a pilot. Again, a plane without a pilot is called drone. And we have electric car, an electric car like this one, an electric car, a robot, solar panels, they are some panels okay, or some boards, we use them to get solar energy, to get energy from the sun. And we have wind turbines. Wind turbine, it's an object which we use to get energy from the wind. So solar panels are used to get energy from the sun. Wind turbines to get energy from the wind. And drone, what is a drone? It's a plane without a pilot. Okay, now let's look at the grammar lesson here. Look at this box. Will or want for predictions. Will or want for predictions. We use will plus infinitive to make predictions with no evidence about the future. What the meaning of prediction without evidence? For example, when I say, I think in the future people will live on the moon. We don't have evidence. We don't have a proof for this. So we use will. If we're talking about something and we don't have a proof or we don't have evidence, we use will plus infinitive. Will plus infinitive. For example, let's look at these examples. There will be electric cars in the future. We don't have evidence. We don't have evidence. We don't have a proof that there will be cars, electric cars in the future. That's why we use will plus infinitive. There won't be ordinary mobiles. We don't have evidence. That's why we use will plus infinitive, but it's here negative. We will go to the moon. Are you sure that you will go to the moon? No, I'm not sure because I don't have evidence. That's why we will go to the moon. We won't use land telephones, telephones that are in our houses. These are land telephones or landlines. We won't use land telephones, so we don't have evidence for this. That's why we use will not use. Now, let's look at this exercise. There won't or there will be any ordinary cars in the future. I think Mariam, you can hear me? Mariam, can you hear me?
Hello?
Mariam, yes?
أنتي سامعني؟
Okay, yes, I can hear you, yes.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to look at this exercise and try to answer. There won't, this is your page 38. There won't will be any ordinary cars in the future. Which one you're going to choose?
Won't.
Won't. Why? Because we have the word, any.
Future. Any, okay.
Yes, because we have the word any, okay, that's why we use negative. Okay, and we always use any with a negative sentence. Okay, look at number 2. Can you read, Mariam?
I think we will live on the moon. It's my dream.
Yes, I think we will live on the moon. It's my dream. Okay, so we use will because we are not sure. When we are not sure, we use will plus infinitive. Okay, read number 3, Mariam.
Will there or?
Mariam, we always use will plus infinitive.
Okay, there will be.
Yes, where there'll be electric cars in the future. So we use will plus infinitive, okay? Okay, let's turn to the other page here. Okay, Mariam, look at page 39. Okay, page 39 and try to read and choose the correct answer. Holidays on the moon. Mariam, read. Mariam, can you hear me? Huh?
يا عندي سامعني.
Okay, read.
Holidays on the moon.
Yes.
In 2080, you will or won't go to the beach for your holiday. You will go to the moon.
Yes, you will go.
Where?
Why will go? Because we use will plus infinitive. Yes.
Infinitive.
Yes.
The moon, there will or won't rockets that leave Earth every day.
Which one you're going to choose?
Will be.
Yes.
Will be.
Okay. Yes, very good. Yes, there will be rockets. Okay, go on. Okay, I'm going to read. I think Mariam has left. There will be rockets that leave Earth every day, and the journey will take, okay, the journey will take only 12 hours. They will be very fast. They will be very fast. Okay. In 2080, Mariam, have you come back again?
I will answer.
Yes, okay. Can you read? Driverless cars.
Okay.
Okay, what's the meaning of driverless?
Driverless car. The people who drive the car.
No, driverless, when we have the word with less at the end, means without. Without a driver, a car without a driver. Okay, read. Okay.
Hello?
Yes, read, Mariam, read.
In 2080, people want to drive a car.
Yes.
We will all have a driver car. They will be safer, and there won't be any.
Yes.
Be any, right?
Yes, the any, yes.
Any accident. Students will read a book or watch a TV. When a computer on the car drives them to school.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mari. Okay, now we're going to turn to the following page, page 40. Now, look at page 40. We have different shapes of houses. Different shapes of houses. We have an igloo in Canada. This is an igloo. It's round, as you can see. Okay, an igloo is round. Okay, and it's in Canada. And we have a yurt in Mongolia. A yurt. This house is called a yurt in Mongolia. And we have a round house in Burkina Faso. Now, let's read the passage here. Round house around the world. Round houses around the world. Mariam, can you read, please?
Okay.
Read, Mariam. Okay.
Traditional. Many traditional houses in the past were round today. Many modern houses are also round. Why is this? There are lots of reasons. Around a shape means that the building is very strong. This is important when there is an earthquake or in strong winds. Also, heavy snow or rain will fall from the roof. Around houses is also easier to keep warm or cool. It's also quieter inside around the building than a building that is a rectangle or square.
Yes.
Finally, a round building uses fewer materials, so it is cheaper to make. It also has more space inside. How fantastic.
Okay, Now, I want you to look at exercise number 3. Exercise number 3. An area that you can move around is called a space. So what is a space? It's an area that you move around. Okay, number 2. A nice temperature that is hot, but not too hot. Okay, we call it warm or cool. Warm or cool. Number 3, when the ground suddenly moves, we call it an earthquake. Okay, Mariam, can you read? When the ground moves, we call it an earthquake. Okay, an earthquake. Okay, Mariam, I'm going to stop here. Okay, till I meet you next time because I have some work to do. Thank you.
مش well.
Thank you.